muchly dusty. But this pair are having their mad half hour before they come into bed. That's Clancy and our very favourite Chester. And they're both roughly the same age, so they're young, silly horses. I only realised that they were up to this because I could hear the hooves thundering from in the barn. You can hear the music from the Topfield Fair. Maybe they're dancing. I'm not sure about that. I can see you! I'm just waiting for one of them to jump the hay trough. The one that's doing all the rearing is the horse that Janine rides. And the bucking. Mind you, Clancy's been bucking too. Look at this synchronised trotting. Come on, boys! What you doing? Oh, there's Clancy. He's the best horse. Come on, Chester. He's like, I was doing absolutely nothing. It was all Chester. Mr. Fancy Clancy, what were you up to? Huh? I see you. Hey, Chester. Hello, gorgeous boy. Oh. Clancy's way off to see what the dog's doing, but she's disappeared round the barn because she's not daft. Hello, gorgeous. Hiya, gorgeous. He's a good boy.